Welcome back to the SolidWorks online training. In this video, we will discuss about the extrude direction. So let's create the sketch to use extrude feature. Click on sketch and choose a plane to sketch. To understand the extrude direction option, you can create any closed entity or sketch. For example, I choose line and I create a closed sketch. Now click on finish sketch option to finish the sketch and go to the feature tab and click on finish. Click on extrude boss option. As you can see, there are 5 options in the extrude tool. The second and third option control the direction of extrusion. So we will understand all the options in detail, but for now we will discuss about the direction option only. So expand the direction tab, and as you can see, there are 3 options to control the direction limit. The first option is blind. If we choose blind as a direction limit, we can put extrusion height directly from the sketch plan. If you want to make your extrusion tapered, you can click on taper icon and put the taper angle. For example, I am putting 15-degree angle, so you can also change the direction of taper from inward to outward taper. To understand the other options for extrude direction, I am creating more sketches. The mid-plane option allows us to extrude both sides equally from the sketch plan. So if I change the extrusion height, it will be divided equally both sides. I create one more box to expand this option. So once again, if I create one more rectangle, I can use several options from its extrusion direction limit. If I choose all through options or through all option, it will extrude till the last face or vertex of the existing objects. On the other hand, if I choose other options like up to vertex or up to surface, we need to select the vertex or surface as the limit. Offset from surface allow us to maintain a gap from selected surface. So select the surface and put the value of gap. As you can see, if I change the value, the preview updates. And finally, if there are more than one body in the graphics area, we can also select the body as the extrusion limit. If you want to work in two directions at the same time, you can also turn on direction 2 option. The limit options for the direction 2 is same as direction 1. Thanks for watching.